Question number 71, which is not true for graphite. Options are given. It has structure similar to boron nitride. Graphite has the similar structure as that of boron nitride. It is correct. That's why it is not the correct option. It is thermodynamically less stable than diamond. So if I talk about graphite, thermodynamically graphite is more stable as compared to diamond. So this statement is wrong. Further, it has two-dimensional sheet-like structure. You know the structure of graphite that has three-dimensional sheet-like structure. sp2 hybridized carbon is there, and between the sheets there is weak van der Waals forces, and that's why I'm choosing it as the correct one. Further, it is a good conductor of electricity. Due to the free electron, it's a good conductor of electricity also. It means only second option is there, which consists of a wrong statement. And the answer for this question is also option 2. Let's take question number 72. Producer gas is mainly a mixture of a very easy question, and you know the answer, I know. Producer gas is mainly the mixture of carbon monoxide and nitrogen, and that's why simply you can choose this as the correct answer. After this, question number 73. In which of the following compounds oxygen exhibits highest oxidation state? It means in this case we have to identify the oxidation number of oxygen. The general oxidation number of oxygen we consider -2, but that's not true in all the cases, because in case of peroxides, superoxides, it can change its oxidation number. So if I talk about this RbO2, here we need to just find out the oxidation number of oxygen. We know that rubidium is alkali metal. Its oxidation number is +1. Say the oxidation number of oxygen is X. So I can write here 2X. That should be 0. So on the basis of this, what would be the value of X? Here the oxidation number is represented by X, and the value of X equal to -1/2. So this is the oxidation number of oxygen in RbO2. We just want to find out the highest oxidation state of oxygen. It means we need to check further options also. Here is KO3. In case of KO3, potassium is there. Again, alkali metal with +1 oxidation state. X is the oxidation number of oxygen we are assuming. And 3 oxygen atom, that's why 3X. That should be 0. And if you solve this for the value of X, it would be equal to -1/3. After this, next is CaO. In case of CaO, calcium is there. Calcium is alkaline earth metal, and it is in +2 oxidation state. Plus X, that's 0, and X is equals to -2. Then we have sodium peroxide, Na2O2. Here, oxidation number of sodium is +1, so it becomes +1 into 2 plus 2X is 0. So what would be the value of X? Just find it out. It is -1. And we have calculated all the values. Which one is the highest? Definitely it is highest for KO3, that is -1/3. So I'll choose it as the correct option. This is option 2. I hope this question is clear to you. Let's take next question. Question number 74. Which of the following is not a redox reaction? How would you analyze that particular reaction is a redox reaction or not? You just check the change in oxidation number of the element. And redox reactions are those reactions in which oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously. So if I talk about this first reaction in which chlorine is there in Cl2 form, chlorine is there, its oxidation number is 0. But if we look at NaCl in the right hand side, the oxidation number of chlorine is changed to -1. Similarly, if I talk about NaClO, in this case, the oxidation number of chlorine is +1. So here it is -1, here it is +1. Initially it was 0. It means both oxidation and reduction is taking place for this chlorine. This is disproportionation reaction basically, and redox reaction. Further, XeF2 plus NO is getting changed into Xe2NOF. If I talk about xenon, in this case, xenon is there in +2 oxidation state, while in case of Xe, it is in zero oxidation state. Similarly, if I talk about NO, in case of this, nitrogen is +2 oxidation state, while in case of NOF, the nitrogen is there, that is in +3 oxidation state. It means oxidation of nitrogen and reduction of xenon is taking place. That's why this is also redox. So first was redox, second is also redox, third one XeF2, KOH, both are reacting to form Xe, KF, H2O and O2. In this case, if I talk about XeF2, xenon is there in +2 oxidation state and it is getting reduced to form Xe. Similarly, if I talk about the next element KOH, in which oxygen is there in -2 oxidation state, and here it is getting changed into 0. So in this case also oxidation is taking place and this is redox reaction once again. I'm just checking few of the element to identify whether redox is there or not. Now, fourth option we have XeF6. Xenon is there in +6 oxidation state. Now, in this case, XeO3 is formed. Again, xenon is there in +6 oxidation state. Let's check. Fluorine. Fluorine has -1 oxidation state here also and here also. Hydrogen in +1 oxidation state. Here also it is in +1 oxidation state. Just write the oxidation state of fluorine also here and here. Similarly, oxygen -2 in these cases. It means for this reaction there is no change in oxidation number. Oxidation number of any of the element. And that's why this is not a redox reaction. And yes, that's why option 4 is the correct one. After this, there's another question. Question number 75. Select the correct statement regarding isotopes of hydrogen. There are 3 isotopes of hydrogen: protium, deuterium and tritium. Protium is 1H1, deuterium is 1H2 and tritium is 1H3. First statement. Tritium is radioactive in nature. This is the correct statement. Tritium is radioactive in nature. 1H3 is radioactive in nature. Further, deuterium reacts faster than hydrogen. Deuterium is known as heavy hydrogen and its rate of reaction is less as compared to normal hydrogen, that is protium. So, this statement is the wrong statement. Further, deuterium is most common isotope. No, the most common isotope of hydrogen is protium, not deuterium. So, this is also wrong. Further, tritium is most abundant in nature. This is also a wrong statement. Its proportion is very less in case of hydrogen. So this is also wrong. Which statement is correct now? Only option 1 is there, which is correct and correctly given also. After this,